My name is Wouter Melon. I'm IT manager for the Belgian Pork Group. We do everything from giving support to end customers, doing infrastructure stuff, and then business analysts who provide feedback for the administration and production part of the company. The challenges in the past were that we relied heavily on Excel, like a lot of companies, I guess. And there, element61 gave us the opportunity to migrate those more complex Excel sheets towards a Power BI report that our financial department uses. For me, it was very clear from the beginning that element61 was the correct partner for us. It was very professional. They started with telling us that their team isn't only Power BI experts, but that they have people on board who understand financial data. The fact that the guys from element61 understood our data. So it's not only because you have a lot of Power BI report guys who just click together a report, but Timothy and Sven, who did then the reporting stuff, they understood what the data meant for us. So that was a great part of the project, yeah. But the benefits of the out-of-the-box solutions is that it's quickly deployed. Element61 came in, just asked us what is the data that we need to use for those reports. And in a couple of days, the start of the project was already done. Data was imported, and we could start with rolling out some extra features that we requested. The major selling point for the solution was also that we now have a click-through. So we can see what bills are attached to a certain post. So that was a great realization. If I would describe element61 in 3 words, they would be speed, professionality, and then general understanding of what they are doing. They're not just building reports, they understand what they are making for us. I would definitely recommend element61 not only to other companies, but also I feel that I'm a bit an ambassador for element61 within our own company, because we do have other challenges beside the financial part, like HR, sales, and many more reports that we can create.